Hello and welcome to my video lecture, Chapter 1 Intro, and what our objectives are for this chapter. So Chapter 1 is our introduction to web development in PHP. Very exciting stuff, off to our start. We are going to be looking at the use of XAMPP, right? So at this point you should have downloaded XAMPP. We're going to use that to start and stop Apache or the MySQL when it's running on your computer. At some point, we're going to talk about the use of FTP and SFTP to take files from your local computer and put it up on a web server somewhere or a website somewhere. But for now, we're going to deploy the PHP application on our own computer. Here at Hofstra, you are a student, so your HTML, strictly HTML web pages and website can be on your F drive. If you go to your F drive and create a public folder and put your HTML website there, it is public and anyone in the world will be able to see your website. But unfortunately, that's only for HTML projects. For PHP projects, we are going to need something more sophisticated because we are going to be doing. We're going to need the Apache web server. We're going to need a MySQL instance. So we are going to run the web application that's on your computer by entering its URL into the address bar, or by getting and using an index of the applications that are on the web server. We'll do all that during this chapter. We're also going to view the source code for the web page in a web browser. We are going to the knowledge that we're going to get that we're going to gain during this chapter is describing the components of the client-server architecture. So how does this all work? First of all, then we're going to describe HTTP requests and responses. We're going to distinguish between the way a web server processes a static web page versus dynamic web pages, the kind of web pages we're going to learn to develop now. The static web pages are the kinds of web pages you developed in IT30. Explain what the software, so we're going to look at Apache, we're going to look at PHP, we're going to look at Chrome, we're going to look at MySQL. These are the four things that the four applications or pieces to the puzzle that we're going to use to put together our data-driven web application. We're going to describe the way PHP is deployed on our own computer and then on an internet server. We're going to describe the components of an HTTP URL. And we're going to describe what happens if you omit one or more parts of the URL. That's going to affect how you're setting up your links. And then we're going to describe the benefits of using an integrated development environment like NetBeans for application development. So this is where we're going to start off with. This is Chapter 1. Here we go, off to Chapter 1.